duhang anak taon na nako. Taon masaya taong managsuon. They are sister and brother.
Campos Regine B.T., the daughter of Mrs. Alona Campos. Chasmil Daisy Rose P., the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Cyrus Chasmil. Grade 12 Gas Ecclesiastes.
Chapter 10, verse 39. Whoever finds their life will lose it, and whoever loses their life for my sake will find it.
Singkulan Maria B.
Mark chapter 9, verse 23. All things are possible if you believe me.
Campus Regine B.T.
Isaiah 26, verse 4. Trust in the Lord forever, for the Lord is a rock for all ages.
and Chasmil Daisy Rose P.
Verse 8.
Pasumara Christian A.
Psalm 56 verse 3. When I am afraid, I put my trust in you.
Campus Christian Meal T.
Psalms chapter 23 verse 1. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not be in want.
Tiempo Ken Jiren S.
Tanaw diri do.
Romans 3 verse 23. All have sinned. Singkulan Maria B. Most patient and weak hours. Campus Regine Meeting, most cheerful and academic awardee.
Ah, kita Jin. Ya, uy. Paki-video ko din yan. Magdaan na lang doon ba, ha? Dali mo.
And lastly, Chasmil Daisy Rose P. Most courageous, best in visual arts and weak hours.
Tiempo Ken Jiren S. most valuable.
I did mute because there is some sounds.
My fellow graduates, wow, this is it. We're finally graduating. We made it. Thank you to everyone present here today. Thank you to everyone who is part of the school. Thank you to our very supportive principal, administrator, president, and vice president. Thank you to our beloved and pretty advisor, Ms. Jane. To another world and offer all I have, which I know you are feeling the same way too. Often, we look outside for heroes, but I see them right here among us. I have seen my years at Ghana Christian Academy that we look out to look for inspiration and that we each have the potential to make an inspiring contribution to others by being true to our values and committing ourselves to lofty goals. When you leave here today, celebrate what you have accomplished, but look forward to the eyes toward how you
Nataga kong sablay.
inspiration for others. Let me share one.
Anyway guys, is worth it for me because they're doing good, and thank you so much for watching my video. See you on my next video. Bye.